To get started with the recipe, into a grinding jar, add in 1 roasted dry coconut into it. Also add in few almonds and cashews and few fried almonds and cashews as per your choice. Now add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of poppy seeds into it or khaskhas seeds. Now add in few spices like 1 whole badi elaichi, 3 to 4 cloves and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of shahi zira. You can save few spices later to add while cooking the curry. Now place the lid of the grinding jar and grind it into smooth paste by adding in little water. So here you can see I have grinded the smooth paste out of it. Now add in handful of fried onions or berista into it. Now cover the lid and grind it into fine paste. Add some water if required. So here you can see the soft paste is just ready. Put it aside and heat a pot on the stove. Now add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into it. As the oil gets heated up, add 1 sliced onion into it and give it a good stir and add in the remaining whole spices and cook it continuously by stirring until light golden brown and crisp. This recipe is going to be very delicious, guys, and it is a very unique recipe. Now as it turns golden brown, add 5 to 6 split green chilies into it. Cook it for a while and add in 1.5 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste into it. Give it a good mix and cook it for about a minute. Now add in chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Give it all a good mix and cook it for another 1 minute. Now add in spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt according to taste. Give them all a good mix. Now here I'm going to add in the salt and finally give a mix and cook for about a minute. Now add 1/4 cup of whisked creamy curd into it. Give it all a good mix and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the oil has oozed out. Now add in the grinded paste into our cooking pot and give them all a good mix and continuously cook until the masala is completely cooked. Now add in 1 cup of water into it. I have added the water by mixing it in the same grinding jar in which I have grinded the masala. Now cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes the water has been evaporated and the masala is cooked well. So here I have boiled the mutton liver with some salt and ginger garlic paste, and here you can see it is done, almost done. I have cooked it 80% by just boiling it in hot water with salt and ginger garlic paste. Add those boiled liver pieces into our cooked gravy and give it a good mix. Now cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after about 5 minutes you can take the lid out and give it a good mix. You can see the mutton liver pieces have been coated well with the masala. Now give it a good mix. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder on top of it. And also add in few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. This is just the final look of our gravy. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy by adding in little water and the thickness that is required. So here I'm going to add in another half cup of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Give it a final mix and now cover it and leave it on a very low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Here you can see after 4 to 5 minutes our delicious mutton liver curry is just ready to be served. You can serve it with roti, paratha or naan, or you can even serve it with hot rice. This was the recipe for today. Do try it out, guys, and in case you find my recipe interesting, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We'll meet you in the next recipe.